Okay, this is the second incarnation of the internet-controlled locomotive. By this means, the server controls a DCC, digital command control, N-scale train set. I could use multiple locomotives. The locomotives are addressable, and this is actually more complicated than the IP dildo because of the necessity to generate data packets for the track, for the locomotive. You can see we have the various buttons here: fast, slow, and stop, and forward and reverse. There's also a couple of switches on there, but the switches don't work very well. They cause derailments, so I don't have them hooked up right now. But what I'll do is, okay, over there you can see the locomotive on the track. I'm going to set it at speed 3. You can see it's starting to move, and you can zoom in a little here. Coming around there at 3. Okay, speed 4, speed 5, speed 6, speed 7, speed 8. That's wide open. That's as fast as it goes right there. Okay, coming right along here. I'll do a full-on jam into reverse right here. Okay, jammed into reverse, back to forward again. I'm using the forward buttons on the web interface to control it. Okay, I'm going to slow it down. 4, 3. Let me move it on up here. Okay, that's speed 3, speed 2, and you can see it just barely creeps at 2, and that's 1. I mean, it moves, maybe moves slightly at 1, but that's about, but very, very slightly. Okay, back up to 2 again. As you can see, it barely moves at 2. It's like an idle. Okay, 3 starts moving pretty good at 3. 4 takes off pretty good at 4. I cleaned the track. I scotch brighted the track, and I changed the power supply. Here is the setup right here. Let me go back to wide angle again. Okay, there's the local screen. Tells you it's a motor number A, and then its speed is now 0, and it's on the outer loop, or speed is 8, excuse me, it's on the outer loop. There's a different speed scale on there. There's the processor, various shift registers run the display, and in the back there is the H-bridge that drives the track, and that device with the heatsink on it is the 7805 regulator for the processor. There's the Netburner server that connects to the internet over there. There's the 15 volts power supply, which I got turned up to 16.9. I need a little more track voltage, and I'm going to replace that with an 18 volt wall wart that I have coming. It'll be here in a couple of weeks because I got it on eBay and it's coming from China. So that's that system.